and I'll take you guys with me through my introverted day in. It's really nice because I feel like I'm in a really peaceful time. Just like the coziness of today, I kind of woke up in a good mood. I have a good feeling about 2025. I don't know if it's just like I'm emotionally maturing or I feel like it's been putting me in a really reflective but thankful mindset. The energy that I have towards goals. It's nice to just not feel anxiety. I feel like honestly for the past 5 years, I've been so anxious. I've just grown this anxiety. I was not really an anxious person, I would say, growing up, but it's something that I've developed sort of as I've gone into my working career and, have a lot of goals or ambition, etc. It's really freeing to enter my 30s, enter my 2025 year kind of just feeling a lot lighter. I'm not scared of what this year will bring. I'm really appreciating the value behind not just a positive mindset, but a productive and self-respecting mindset. And I think that manifests in just more positive thoughts, positive behaviors. I'm excited for what 2025 will bring as I try to feed this mentality and continue to grow, being a better version of myself. And I think that really is my only goal this year. I think that looks like taking more risks, being more authentic towards truly my passions and what I want to be doing. Just being true to myself and my values and what I really think is important when I'm alone with myself. That comes with being more intentional about what I'm reaching towards, what am I actually putting my time towards. Yeah, so I'm just hopeful for 2025. And okay, I don't know why I went on this spiel when really my focus is for today. Again, I'm gonna have a cozy day in, take you through my day with me. I gotta get some house chores done. I don't think I've really done like a deep cleaning in a bit, so I'm gonna do that. I got a couple things also in the mail, so I'm gonna unbox that. Probably do a little mini skincare, self-care pampering, and then do some cooking, some comfort food. I have to think about what to cook. That should be my cozy day. But yeah, we'll see how much I stick to that plan in my head. I think sometimes cozy days can look like whatever makes you happy that day within reason. So, okay, let's get started with the day.
Just wanna ride, go out and drive with you. I just wanna ride, go out and drive with you. Hey, yeah, I know it's been a while now. Her lip gloss popping, so I know it's finna go down. You wanna smoke, I got some tree that you can roll now. I got that day, yeah, she know that I be blowing down. Baby, just look me in my eyes, girl. I really hope you realize, girl, that you've been heavy on my mind, girl. I really had to take some time. Just wanna ride, go out and drive with you, with you, with you. Just wanna ride, yeah. You know, I've been thinking, we've been working so hard, need a vacation. Let's take a trip to Jamaica, no time for waiting.
got a package on my chill introverted day, so I thought I'd do an unboxing with you guys. And I got this from Amazon. I don't know what it is actually, because I ordered a lot of things recently, just like skincare related. I don't know what came, but I intend to have a skincare night tonight, so depending on what's here, we'll use some of the stuff. There's a couple things here. First, I ran out of eye masks, so I ordered some more. I've never had the brand from Grace and Stella, but I've heard some good things about it. So we'll see how it is. I've been trying out different brands for eye masks, and so I'll have something to compare to. I'm gonna put some of these in my mini fridge so they get nice and cold for use later. Okay, then I have toner pads. It's all in Korean, but essentially they're collagen toner mask pads. You just put them on your face and keep them there for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then take them off before you do your makeup. And then I got some more facial masks as well. Trying to get into the habit of using them at least several times a week, if not at least like once a day, which I've been enjoying that since I've been doing it. I really like this brand, and it's one that's quite popular as well. I got 2 types from Biodance. One is Biocollagen, and then the other is Hydroceranol. So we'll see what they're like. They're pretty similar in packaging, and the only difference is the box coloring. Okay, that's it. So let's unbox each of these. First, I'm gonna unpackage the Grace and Stella eye masks. It's like a big box. Ooh, it came with like a serum. Okay, so it comes in a huge like little box like this. When you open it up, there's a ton of them in here. And then it looks like there is a little serum that I didn't think I got with it, but maybe it comes with it? Yeah, I didn't know it came with it, but it looks like it comes with it, and it's hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. I'll be happy to try this out. I like hyaluronic acid, so. Little bottle, say hi to hydration. Okay. And then looking at the actual eye masks here, pretty cute packaging. First time seeing these. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. Okay, we'll try it out tonight. I'm gonna put these in the fridge. Also, let's take a look at what these masks look like. Also put these in the fridge. I love to put my face masks, eye masks in the fridge because I don't know, I feel like it just does more. Maybe that's just in my head. It just feels so much better. It's like a massage on your face when you have it refrigerated. I love the way this looks. There's like a little tweezers for you to take off each of them. Okay, and then it looks like these. So I guess you peel them off sort of one at a time with these tweezers. Excited to use this. Put that away. Also in the fridge. Okay, and that's it. Now that it's winding down to the end of the day, I thought I would just unwind, do a nightcap with my skincare routine, do a little get unready with me. So I'm gonna do a couple face masks as well today. A mask, put on that device that I've now grown to really like, and I've been using it more often. So I'm gonna try to incorporate that daily. Honestly, today was a really peaceful, relaxing, nice day. I feel like time really flew today. I'll go to bed early and hopefully wake up super refreshed and ready to take on the week. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so now that I've taken off my makeup, I'm gonna go wash my face and do my skincare. Now to put on the face mask. I'll be using the BioDance collagen mask that I got earlier today. And I put it in the refrigerator, so it's gonna feel great on the skin.